All right, we're joined now by Stephanie Link. She has some new stuff going on in her portfolio. Steph, you there?
I am, Scott. How are you?
All right, we're going to do some rapid fire, Linkster. We got three things to talk about. Number one, you're buying Coinbase. Interesting. Why?
Well, I'm not catching it early, but I thought the 10% dip last week was a buying opportunity. These guys are the leader in the industry, the largest and most secure crypto exchange. We know total addressable market is huge, 1.6 billion today, going to 5 billion by 2030. And it's hard to ignore companies that are investing in crypto. It's not just PayPal, Square, and Tesla. It's Coke, it's Starbucks, it's Visa, it's Expedia, and I think that's just very telling. And so I wanted to have some exposure. I thought the third quarter was terrible, but who didn't know that prices fell in the summertime and volumes also fell, and they guided higher, believe it or not, and that kind of got ignored. So I think 25 times earnings for the industry leader is a good buy.
Okay, Jim's Investing Club just dropped a new letter. They say they're buying more Morgan Stanley. I asked you about it because you own Morgan Stanley. Not to mention that you used to run the portfolio for the Charitable Trust, so you have insight into how Mr. Cramer thinks better than most people do.
Well,
so what do you make of this one?
I think it's down 8% from its highs, and I want to be in there buying more as well because we know the company is buying $12 billion in shares. They have a great M&A strategy with Eaton Vance and E-Trade, diversifying away. Capital markets is strong. Stock trades at 12 times earnings with a 3% yield. They're very attractive, in my opinion.
2 steps forward, 1 step back for BA, Boeing. They're slowing 787 Dreamliner production further. That's what sources are saying today. Again, you own Boeing, so, you know, what do you do now?
It's been a painful year, but I think we're closer to there being the light at the end of the tunnel. Most importantly is China certification of the 737 MAX. A third of the 737 MAXs in inventory are slated for Chinese companies. So approval will be very critical. China and Asia is 35% of global traffic, so it's important. And the average life of China's aircraft is 15 years, so there's a replacement cycle story as well. And higher fuel prices are also going to help the replacement cycle because people and companies are going to be looking for more efficient planes. That's what the 737 MAX is. The 787 delays, I wasn't expecting them to figure out the halt situation until the end of the first quarter. So I think this is kind of in line. So I'm surprised the stock is down as much as it is. So you've got a reopen story, you've got a return of international travel, you've got a China certification upcoming, and you have a free cash flow yield of 7%. So I like it.
She is the Linkster, better known as Stephanie Link. Steph, thanks. Have a good weekend and a good holiday. I hope you see you before that.